Da ka jing sngokya ka bajor namar balahir pelat ka Pule Puthi hapo ka jilla Meghalaya. Kaseng Icare kala Pynlong ye Jingïamir jingmon bar ka Jingïatai Halor ka ne ka phang hapo seminar hall jong ka Asian Confluence hne ka singi ka arpoi terek ujilio. La ple pat ba ye ka ne ka lempong da ka jingkran pediang sobha na president ka Icare uba toki wa yubla bala penbot da ka keynote address na Dr. Glenn Kharkongor ubolong udkhot jong ka Icare. Kiwai pat kinong kran bakarpang hakani ka lempong ki kentop ya Dr. Floret G. Khar ibala kran Halor kamat the need for conversion nang tai Professor Melissa G. Walang ibala kran Halor kapang barriers in rural education but Dr. Veronica Pala Halor kamat the social impact of education. Namar bakani kapang kalong kabayar kumta lasat tang khandiat teli kimat na kabenta kani lempong kiba kentop ya kajing penpau Halor kijing kibala Pynlong ya ka Pule Puthi panher kerdan hakajala Meghalaya. Ban sujer khandiat kita kilong kajing bam kot kerdan haki subject kom ka language bat ka maths. Kajing duna palat ki papas ye ki examen haka class 10 bat 12. Kajing bam long renti lang ki khana Pule haka art stream, commerce bat ka science stream. Namar baduna palat ki khana ki ba Pule haka science stream. Habai nu jor bat ki wei pat ki jilla po kari India. Haka jing nu jor bat ki wei ki jilla katkom ka Ministry of Human Resource Development ki khana Pule jong ka Meghalaya kilong tang 100% ki papas. Kajing bomdon ke boy trekam lani ki rukam hikai bat ki jing sha hikai kumjo ko rukam jurep jingkhen ki bayha bat ki khana Pule haki than rilom bat ka jingke ki khana ki basange na ban Pule tang shiteng por ka banta ka baar jong ni klempong kalong Halor kaphang road map for education.
How are we going to specially look at the children that are in these households? We know from studies that we have done in our university that the dropout in female-headed households is 50% greater than in two-parent households. There are other problems. The mothers say, we don't know how to help our children with their homework. We don't know, we don't have time because we're trying to make two ends meet. Single mother, something that we need to look at. Okay? Another thing that Meghalaya is number one in, and by the way, we are number one in so many things. Okay? The highest fertility rate in that country, meaning that the number of pregnancies and births to women in our state, okay, on average is highest in the country. Why is it that there is the highest need for contraceptive use, lowest knowledge about contraceptives? Okay? Why is it that in the last election, the tenure increase, the decennial increase in children aged 0 to 6 was highest in Meghalaya, almost 20%. So what I think we are gathering over here is that our children, our adolescents need life skills. They need sexuality education, okay? Because there are so many factors, okay, that lead to this high fertility rate.